Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your default currency on the Coinmarketcap. First things first, what exactly is the Coinmarketcap about? Pretty simple. Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. And its mission is very straightforward, which is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So now that we know about the CoinMarketCap, let's see how we can create an account on CoinMarketCap. Now, first things first, launch in a browser of your choice. Locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type coinmarketcap.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for CoinMarketCap. Now, once you get there, top right corner of the website, you're going to find the login option, which is to log in using an existing account, and the sign up button, which is sign up by creating a new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the CoinMarketCap. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's tags, which is how to change your default currency on the CoinMarketCap. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top corner of your screen. Here you have cryptos, exchanges, market cap, you have volume, dominance, ETH, you even have fear and greed, and you have the language option where you can change your languages, and you have the theme, you have get listed, you have API, and a couple more. And one thing that stands out the most is the currency. All right, so it's the currency which we really want to choose, right, or which we really want to change. So you can see that the default currency is set to USD. So I can just click on that drop down menu, and I'm going to see a couple more options here. So I have the USD, I have Ethereum, I have euros, I have pound sterling, and I have Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin units, that's bits and Satoshi. I even have fiat currencies. So you can check all of those fiat currencies if you want to change to any of these. You can see there are a lot more. All right, yeah, quite a lot, from United States dollars down to sovereign Bolivar. And then we have cryptocurrencies as well. So you can definitely change to the currency that you want. Let's say I want to change this to GBP. So I've changed that to GBP, and you see that GBP is now my default currency. It's set to GBP. I can even change it back to USD, and you'll see that it has been changed to USD as my default. So that's pretty much how you can change your default currency in the CoinMarketCap application. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.